guys, it's me, Soraya's World. Today for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my slime collection. Yes, I've been doing lots of slime collections. Well, not that many, but I did one on my sister's channel. But if you want to check that out, that was my old slime collection. I have new slimes, I threw away old slimes, and yeah. So let's get into the video. The first slime I'm going to show you guys for today is this one I made out of clear glue. The reason why it isn't clear is that I added another slime to it, because puzzle glue, you have to add another slime to it for it to actually work. If you want to learn how to make slime with puzzle glue, write it in the comments down below, and I'll show you a tutorial. Because there's a method that you have to do it if you want your puzzle glue to actually work. If you just add borax to it, it's going to become really hard. The next slime I have is this another puzzle glue. Also, puzzle glue is going to be super strong. It's going to be super strong. So if you can't really handle strong smells, then I don't really using puzzle glue. But if you can handle strong smells, then you can use it. But it does poking noises. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh yeah. Wait, I'll just tell that at the end of the video because I'm so excited that I can actually say this in a video now. The next slime I have is this like purplish, grayish slime. I also made this out of puzzle glue. Also pokes. Yeah, it's pretty fun. It's super soft and it's super stretchy. So, and then the next one I just made, it's called I just play with it so there's no bubbles, but if I don't play with it for a long time, like bubbles will rise and I get to go like that. But here's my fluffy slime I just made. It's liquidy fluffy slime. It's called Apple Green Day Fluffy Slime. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It's also sticky, so I don't really like to play with it, but I'm gonna fix that stickiness later. The next one I have is this super duper jiggly slime. It's super watery and super jiggly. I don't really like to play with it because it gets super sticky and it'll get all over the place, and you don't even know why it gets all over the place. Like, you didn't even put it there for it to get there. So yeah, those are my containers, and now on to my box. This one used to be my sister's, by the way, but she gave it to me. So the first one I have is my strawberry slime. My strawberry fun day slime. Next one I have is my jiggly strawberry fun day, because it has a little strawberry piece in it. Next one is my honey cream biscuit. It's super stretchy. Oh wait, I'll be right back. So wait, I have I have a butter slime, but it's not here with me right now. So here's a poop slime I made. So pokes. It doesn't really poke that much though. Next one I have is this fluffy, I love it like so much. It's my fluffy Nutella slime. It's so fun and it's so fluffy. Next one I have is my avalanche lunch? No, but it's my Reese's Puffs slime. Next one I have is this unicorn poop one. It's super duper stretchy, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Now onto our last slime and also last box. Well, not last slime. Here's my clear green day slime. I gotta let it sit so it can actually not be that cloudy. Here's my jiggly slime, and here is a little small one. Here is it's called my Sticky Funness, and this is another Sticky Funness, and this is my Galaxy Glitter Slime. Oh yeah, and I forgot about this one. This one is my lip gloss slime. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you comment down below the slimes that you want me to do a tutorial on, I'll try to figure out the method, because all these slimes, I use different methods for all of them. Some of them I use water, some of them I use cornstarch, and some of them I use foaming soap, and yeah. So if you guys want to learn how to make any of these slimes, just comment down their names down below. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed my slime collection. I definitely really like my slime collection. I really like all the colors and stuff I have. I don't have no white slimes, and that's a good thing, because I don't want white slimes. Like, get out of here, white slimes. But yeah, I do have glossy slimes, and yeah, if you guys want to also ask me for like a tutorial for a slime I didn't have in this slime collection, you want me to do like a tutorial for like a glue that like you don't know how to make the method for, I'll definitely do it. So yeah, subscribe, and also check out my Instagram. It is called Soraya Lovely. Oh my gosh, guys, all of the pictures are taken by my sister. She's my photographer. She's my manager for it. So all those captions and stuff are not written by me. All those photos are taken by my sister, and they're so cool. They're like so I can't say the word. You know what I mean. They're just super cool, and I really like how my sister did them. So also check out my sister's. Hers is Mecca official Mecca, and you could go check hers out. All the links will be in the description below, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.